Welcome to our guide on how to allow mentions from people you follow on Pinterest using your PC. With the recent updates, managing your social permissions has become easier than ever. Let's walk through the steps together. First, open your web browser and navigate to Pinterest.com. If you're not already logged in, enter your credentials to access your account. Once you're in, look for the gear icon located at the bottom left corner of the screen. This icon is your gateway to settings, so go ahead and click on it. After clicking the gear icon, you will see a menu pop up. From this menu, select Settings. This will take you to a new page where you can adjust various aspects of your Pinterest account. Next, scroll down until you find the section labeled Social Permissions. Click on this option to access settings related to how others can interact with you on Pinterest. Here, you'll see different options regarding mentions. Under the Mentions section, you will have a few choices regarding who can mention you in their pins. To ensure that only people you follow can mention you, select Only People You Follow. This setting helps maintain a more controlled and personal interaction within your Pinterest experience. Once you've made your selection, don't forget to save your changes. Look for the Save button at the bottom of the page and click on it to apply your new settings. By following these steps, you've successfully adjusted your Pinterest account to allow mentions only from those you follow. This update not only enhances your privacy, but also allows for more meaningful interactions with your connections. Thank you for watching. If you found this guide helpful, be sure to like and subscribe for more tips on navigating Pinterest and other social media platforms. Happy pinning!